ordered you to stop him from eating it. You think what?
My princess, on behalf of my family and Ono, we commiserate with you on the death of your, in fact, sudden death of your father, the king. You know, before his sudden demise, we had an unfinished business. So we want to, you know, make sure that we finish this unfinished business so we can concentrate on how to bury your father. You understand? And that is it.
I can't remember engaging in any transactional business with you and your brother before the king died. Can you please refresh my memory?
My brother was just playing with words. He was talking about the traditional marriage rites. You know the king is dead, but...
But what? Are you trying to repeat the nonsense you and your brother said outside?
You see, my princess, you're being more emotional than logical here. What we're saying is that before the completion of the traditional marriage rites, the king died. So we are trying to say, let's complete it. Oh no, he's here. He will give you a cup of wine, you give to me, I drink, then I pay the bride price. And that is it. You know, everybody will just go home. Then we'll now sit down and plan the burial of your dad. You know? That's just it.
Ikemba, you and your brother Capital, is there anything you are not telling us? Why are you in a haste? Must you marry the princess today?
No, my princess, you don't understand my brother. You understand? What he was trying to say is that you don't need to come back home with us. We're not going home with you. We just do this traditional rites and we go. You stay here and mourn your father. Do you understand? We're just making it like we're making a mountain out of a molehill.
Ikemba, you know what I think? You are bad luck. Yes. Because I was about to present the traditional wine to you when the king died. It obviously means you and your family members are soaked in bad luck. Instead of you to sympathize with my grieving family, you are here ranting about the completion of a traditional marriage. Don't you have conscience? You know what? Both of you, take your trashy selves and get out of this place before I unleash the police guards on you. Now!
Princess, no, you cannot be threatening us, man. You cannot tell us that you want that if you don't leave, you will unleash your local guards on us. That's an overstatement. Of course, we came prepared. We came with professional bodyguards. And we have these professional bodyguards are well equipped with today's ammunition. But we are not here to threaten each other. We know, I mean, from all indications that you are not in a good mood to talk to us. Ikemba, we shall go and come back another day. Ikemba, your woman is ranting already. So let's go.
Princess, I can see you are not in a good mood. We shall, discuss this later on. Okay?
Princess, before I forget, please, next time, do not threaten us, please. No, we should let her know. Tell her.
Please get out! Out!
Rubbish is that? Can you imagine that she refers to us as her subjects when she was ordering Amalume to be the ECO-PCAST? What an insult!
Imagine that small girl ordering us out of the palace just because we insisted that the traditional wedding must be completed. That was all.
My husband, I won't blame her that much. I'm a woman. I understand how she feels.
How does she feel? How about me? Do you know what that man did to me? That man just collapsed. He couldn't even wait for me to drink the wine and complete the traditional wedding before collapsing. That man is a bad luck.
The throne is definitely not running away. It will come to us. Please, let's not allow our emotions to push us into doing things that will expose our agenda.
Kimber, I think my wife is right. We should keep our emotions in check so as not to, spill out our secret plans, our agenda. See, what you need to do, find a way and persuade that girl. I mean, she's a small girl, regardless of her intelligence. I know she's very wise. Talk to her, persuade her.
No way. See, there is so much oil in this kingdom that the royal family doesn't even know about. Huh? So we need to take over that throne and start business immediately. There's no time. No time.
We will, but not this way, please.
No. Listen.
Sweetheart, please take. Go and keep this. Man, keep this. I'm coming. What's this small girl? Small girl? Do something. I have to do something. Let me.
What am I hearing? Huh? That you sent the Mbadiwe twins out of this palace? How can you embarrass your husband to be and his brother like that? Mother, they embarrassed themselves by asking for the impossible. They were desperate, stupid. I had to walk them out. Game. How do you expect a man who is in love to sound? How? Huh? Insisting that your traditional marriage rite must be completed. It shows how much he wants to be called your husband. Mother, I don't need his stupid love. A man who has no respect for my grieving family is not worthy to be called my husband. He should go to hell, I don't care. What has come over you? Mother, excuse me. What is your problem? Oh. My husband. Why would you leave at a time like this? I can't handle this all alone. You would have been here to do this by yourself.
Capital money. The one whose money is in capital letters. The one who deals in cash. The cash man. In dollars, in pounds, in everything cash. The capital.
Uncle, how much do you want?
It's not just for me. It is about those two cabinet elders that I hired to help convince the royal family. So that Odogwu Kemba will finish the marriage rites today. Since then, they have been following me about, asking for money. Because I promised them that their money will come in capital letters. And they want the money in capital letters, that's why I came.
Yes, I know what happened. They did their best, but it wasn't enough. But regardless, Stone.
Yes, boss.
Bring the capital money. Because there's some money and settle them in capital letters.
I'm at your service, boss.
The capital money. Odogwu capital. Capital cash.
I'll give you a call.
Oh, thank you. I said
that the money will come in capital letters and they will get it in capital letters from me. This is cash coming. Ha! Wow! Yes! It's in capital letters. At least this man, they will know that the money came in capital letters and they will be happy. Yes, by the time I settle them with this money in capital letters, they will be happy. Thank you, my brother.
I deeply apologize for what happened the other day. The princess has no right whatsoever to insult or embarrass you both the way she did the other day. I'm truly sorry. Okay?
It's okay, my queen. You understand that the tension was high. So that is why we waited for some days before coming back.
Good what, if I may ask? You came back.
My dear. Sweetheart, did you just call me by my name?
Your name is Ikemba. Or did you change it overnight? Ikemba, Madam, please. What is your problem? Mother, my problem is these insensitive adults who have no single respect for the dead. What are you doing here?
Princess, calm down. Calm down. We respect the dead. That's why we waited for 2 days before coming to pay your bride price. Thank God they'll know who is here and we'll have a keg of palm wine. All you need to do is to take the wine and give to you. You give it to my brother and your bride price is paid. That's all.
That's all. And that is why we are here. You're not going home with me as my bride. You understand? Because we understand that you're mourning. You're depressed. See, my love, life happens. No, you don't need to bother yourself over the death of our, great king. Please, my priority right now is to make you happy. Your happiness and the progress of this kingdom. That's why I'm here to finalize this, then, move the kingdom forward.
Sadly.
So after my warnings, you still have the guts to come here and talk about paying my bride price when my father is still lying cold in the mortuary. Really?
Hey, princess! Stop! Wait! Princess, please.
Get out!
Please.
Stop. Lizzy.